Welcome to LKRR Prince Base English School. So, dear student, in last class, in chapter number 2nd, that is the name of chapter, it is the Is Matter Around Us Pure. In this chapter, that is the very interesting concept we completed. The name of concept is called as the solution. We already defined the definition of the solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. This is simply called as the solution. In solution, actually, we again define two concepts. One it is called as the solute, and the second one it is called as the solvent. We know that solvent means the larger quantity present in the solution. It is called as the solvent, and solute means the smaller quantity present in the solution is called as the solute. So after defining these three definitions, solution, solute, solvent, now next concept we have to study, that is called as the properties of the solution. So in properties of solution, first property, a solution is a homogeneous in nature. It is a homogeneous in nature. Homogeneous in nature, this property we already explained actually as per the definition. Homogeneous because it is the pure substance. Okay, that's why it is actually homogeneous in nature. Okay, so now second one property, that is the particle of solute in a solution. Particle of solute in a solution pass easily. Particles of solute in solution pass easily through the filter paper. Means again this is the second one property. This property we can have in the, we know that solute like this sugar, it is the solute. It is present or it is taken in a solvent water. It forms the solution. That solute sugar, it is totally dissolved, and when we filter it from the filter paper or any other, it easily get passed through the filter paper. This is the second one property. Now we are having the third one property. The particle of the solution is less than the particles of the solution. Particles of the solution is less than 10 raised to power minus 9. Size of this particle, size of the particles of solute in the solution, it's very small. It's very small. It is small than that of the size of 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. Means see, 10 raised to power minus 9 meter means 0.00 up to the is 9. Means small size is very. Okay, so actually this is the third one properties of the solution. We are also having fourth one, particles of solution are actually small, they are not visible. Particles of solute are small, they are not visible under the microscope. Under under the microscope. Actually, as per the third property, size of that solute particle is very small because of the particle in the solution size particle is very small, so that's why it's not visible. We know that to see the small particle we use a microscope in biology. Okay, so when we observe these particles of solution under the microscope, it cannot be seen. The size is very small. This is again one of the property. The solute particle in the solution do not. The solute particle in the solution do not settle down. Solute particle in the solution, it is do not settle down, it is totally mixed in the solution. That's why it is not settled down, it is totally mixed in the solution. And solute particle retain their property. The solute particle retain their property in the solution. Retain their property means it's taste like. You see the property? Like sugar, it is the sweet in taste. It is the solute, and when it is mixed with the solid means it is actually in the water. Actually, when we change the taste of that solution and taste becomes sweet, means the property is actually retained. Again, we know that common salt, it is the salty taste. When it is mixed in the water, the total water become salty taste. This property it is actually retained. This is also one of the properties of the solution. And last one property, solution it is transparent to light. Means we simply a solution is transparent to light and does not scatter light and does not scatter light. Why does not scatter light? That is a solution. It is actually yes, a solution is transparent to light and does not scatter the light. Why? Because it's very small particle. Because very small size, small particle. So that's why. Means light is transparent. We can check. You can check. Light. It is transparent or transparent from sugar solution or salt solution. It is actually transparent. It is not scattered. Why it is not scattered? Because that solute particle is very small in size. In this way, we are having the 7th property, that is the first, a solution is a homogeneous in nature. Particle of solute in solution pass easily through the filter paper. Particles of the solution is solute in the solution is less than that of the 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. Particle of solution or solute are small, they are not visible under microscope because size small. The solute particle in the solution do not settle down. So solute particle retain their properties in the solution, and solution is transparent to light, does not scatter light because they are very small particle. In this way we complete that is the solution concept.